Hello and welcome back. I love my Hillman Talk students because you ask questions. So, question is, in addition to Save the Cat, do you recommend any other reading material or courses that are essential for someone who has never written a script? My number one is read scripts. Read scripts. And then also read books on how to write, but read scripts. That's the best way I can tell you. Me and my friend went to California, oh, it was a while ago, and we went to the Writers Guild of America in California. I think it's in Burbank, somewhere, I think. And it's just like a library. You go in, you give them your ID, and you can go in and read any screenplay that they have or scripts that they have. I read How to Get Away with Murder because I wanted to know how they wrote the flashbacks. Because I was curious. I was like, I need to know how they wrote this. So I looked it up and it was so good on how they did like the direction and everything. So that was one I read. I read something else and I can't remember. It was so long ago. My next step is to write a musical. That's what I really want to write, but I ain't there yet. I need to learn how to write a musical. But let's get into what information I have. Okay. All right. So I don't know if you are on Reddit. Okay. I got on a couple of months ago. I have a lot of stuff on here, but one of my friends who is also a film nerd like me, she told me about the Screenwriter group right here on Reddit. Has a lot of information on there. So definitely check this out. Ask questions in the Reddit thread. So look that up. I also looked up books that are similar, for screenwriters. Of course, Save the Cat is there, but we have some more. This is Screenwriting, The Missing Manual. We have Save the Cat. Hold on, let me scroll up. The Screenwriter's Bible, The Coffee Break Screenwriter, Writing Movies, The Secrets of a Story, Supporting Characters and Subplots, that sounds good. 150 Screenwriting Challenges. Oh. The Science of Storytelling and Writing Screenplays That Sell. Now, I'm gonna have to get some of these books myself. But definitely check these out. Okay, so now you want to read scripts, and that's the best way to learn about scripts is to actually read them. So this is from Script PDF, and I looked it up, and then I clicked on Black Panther because I was like, well, I want to read it. So it will take you to this page, and then all you got to do is read. That's it. Go through and read how the structure is, how if you've seen Black Panther, maybe read it and watch it at the same time to see how it's done. That's just, something you could do. But definitely if it's a movie you've already, or a TV show you already seen, go watch it and read the script while you watch it. Okay? Okay, so this is the Writers Guild. You can go to the Writers Guild and you can read the scripts online, okay? Read the scripts online. So we got the BBC here. We have the film and TV. It's a whole bunch. Look at this. Look at this. You have no excuse on not finding something to read. This is called the Script Lab. And as you can see, there's movies and TV on here. They have a lot on here. We got Abbott Elementary. Come on, Stranger Things. Let's go. So the Script Lab is free to sign up. So make sure you do that because why not? And then the last place is called TV Writing. And I don't know if you want to get into TV writing, but this is also another place to get Only Murders in the Building. Okay. Supernatural, Xena. Wow. So they have a lot. Outlander, I heard good things about that show. Baby Reindeer, No Good Deeds, Star Trek. So these are the places that you can read scripts. So I say read books, but also read a lot of scripts. Also, if you need more help, I have another professor right here. She's doing Screenwriting 101. So make sure you check her out and her classes. I think she already started, and I'm definitely going to check it out because I need to learn more myself. And I hope this helped you. All right.